Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and Victor don talk so many things for this video. They talk about Dangote, the only man wey get license to supply cement for everybody for Nigeria. Nobody get that license. Na only Dangote na get the license. Apostle Alfred and Victor also talk about Ododuwa and Biafra. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred. The today message we bring come. Enjoy the video.
Oh, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you want to take the connect with us again this lovely day. We want to thank God for the privilege when He don't give us to see another beautiful evening. And like with the Holy Stock, I'm saying no be because we fine, no be because of say and we speak English pass, no because we brilliant pass. Now make us see today. But because of God's grace upon our life, now make us see today. This is why anytime we come live on broadcast, we try to ensure say we appreciate God Almighty. Good evening, everybody. Yes, thank you so very much. Apostle is fine. He will join us soon. He just stepped out. He will join us soon. The many things when they happen for our country, the many things when they happen for our state, the many things when they happen for our locality. And I not go also forget to say the many things when they happen for our family. Now be the reason why we say the Talk Am As E Be program. Now program when go ensure say go they engage the people on a daily basis via this means, the social media end, to ensure say we teach each others the best way to be a responsible citizen. And to be very honest, ever since the inception of Talk Am As E Be, every of our followers, you guys have been best. You guys have been great. We really appreciate all of you. Nobody, even child, picking when they inside belle, even into no say all is not well with Nigeria. Why? Because say even the mama when carry him, when they carry a waka for road, from inside the belly, they know say all is not well with this country. Why? Because of the way the mama when they carry and walk up and down take the act. This now why we say posterity no go forgive us if we, our generation, we come live, we see everything when they happen for this country, we can't decide to keep quiet. We can't decide to allow and go, like what some of our brothers and sisters they say, let us leave it for God. Some go say, let God fight the battle. Some go say, there is nothing that you can do. You understand that the system is porous. You understand that the system is corrupt. We agree. But now, we dey point them to each and every one of us. Talk say, we, the children of this generation, no go open our eyes. Watch all these atrocities to continue to gain ground for this country, Nigeria. This now why we say at all costs, we go ensure, say whatever it costs us to stand the gap for the people of this great nation, we go continue to the do am. Our topic this evening, now tell who never hear. Make it hear wetin dey happen on the ground. Why? Because we belong to a society where people believe say e no concern me, e no concern me, e no concern you. I wan ask you one question. If you be papa and you get children, how much you don fit give your pikin this month as pocket money? How much you don fit give your daughter, that your small daughter when be 14 years old? You no even know say your daughter don dey mature. You don't know say e get some certain things, your rights, when you supposed to ensure say that pikin you supposed to pay attention to. Why? Because of say we just feel say if we keep quiet to allow these wicked and evil leaders to continue to dey milk the wealth of this great nation, and at the same time enslave the people of their right as a citizen of this country. This is now why we say we, as God don't give us the privilege to get access to information, We no go keep the information. We go continue to dey expose the information. Una go remember say 2 days ago and yesterday, our broadcast, we talk am as e dey be, and we ensure say we channel our grievances enter the institution wey we believe. And because we are Christian, we believe say the church get a role for societal development. As we speak right now, each regions across this country don dey hold their own small meeting. Each regions, the southeast, they hold their own meeting. The southwest, they hold their own meeting. The north, you know them before, they don't finish their own meeting. So I ask this evening, what is the agenda of the South region? What's the agenda of the South region? Now we be sit down look. Now we claim say we dey go school. As a matter of fact, after the West, if they say they want check people when go school, after the West, they go turn camera into South. Now I dey challenge our brothers and sisters. I dey challenge our elders, our professors, when claim say them they get intellectual capacity. As we speak right now, what is the fate of this region? Because why? Time don't reach for all of us to hold our corner. Why? Because of say that book when they call Constitution, as far as we are concerned for Tokama CD, that book when they call Constitution is none and void. This now why we dey call on stakeholders for South to ensure say we push on a campaign titled Operation Retire the Nigerian Constitution. Why? That constitution was formulated by a selected few of individuals when present their interests as against the interests of the Nigerian people. That constitution now document when few people sit down, document to deceive the good people of this nation. This is now why we say now where our eyes don't open. Say that paper when they call Constitution it no longer bind us. Else, that paper we won't tear am. This is now why we say every region must hold themselves. Now when all the regions don't they hold themselves, waiting by the South own. Waiting South they do. Just yesterday for Lagos, the Oduduwa nation stand their flag for Lagos. See, we know if they pretend say all is well. May nobody try and tell me say all is well. All is not well. Una know why I go tell una say all is not well? Make I tell una. I'm a graduate from the University of Benin. And as we speak, now me help myself reach where I did so. Why? Because I know my colleagues, many of them, in hundreds, as we speak, they don't pack their load to go back to their papa house. That one our country. Is that what you're telling me? That one our country. They don't pack their load go back to their papa house. Nation, when katakata full everywhere, waiting the president decide to do. Now to name Abuja Road. Name Abuja Road in place of the president of Niger. Is that what is our problem? Is that what our problem? We get issues. We get issues, several issues to deal with for this country. But what the supposed president, what he thinks say na in dey right for him to do right now, now to name road when they use taxpayer money to do. They name him with the president of Niger Republic. Apostle don't join us this evening.
My people, on a good evening, school matter. Obotakoyo, I finish your call away. Broadcasting, here. My people want to know verse. Talk about the big. On a good evening, school matter. At this school, I say I still be student, and we need to upgrade. Education not be scam. You understand? So If you think say education they expensive, make you go try ignorant, then you know how it be. So some of us they go school so that make we upgrade, so that we fit the you know how it's supposed to be. So as my brother they talk this evening, so many matter for grant. I know she don't talk about the constitution.
Yes, sir.
And the constitution now na scam, na another paper. Nothing is binding us. Nothing is binding us. We must tell ourselves the truth. Nothing is binding us. That's why we need freedom now or never. When some of us go to talk, they go say these people they don't get sense. Some go say we never get work. Some go say we're too lazy. Some of them go even say we be 419. Some go even say we be fake. Some go say you dey here. Some say you not dey here. Make we they tell ourselves the truth. That constitution has scam. Now zero, now empty paper. Because the people when they sign that thing, they don't die. They do them in a way that make it favor one set of people. So that's why some of us they say no. That 1999 constitution is invalid. That is not binding on anybody. And that 1999 constitution is only working for those in the north. You understand? Those kidnappers, they only work for them. You know, they work for us. That's why some set of people, some kidnapper, if you catch them, some kidnapper from certain region, if they kidnap them, the law where they hold some people from one region is different from the way they hold people from that region. So all these things is not good. So that's why now some of us they say we need freedom. And freedom, they don't buy them for market. So sometimes people tell us, say, we'll go back to church, go to preach, abi. They say, more come on, more go to preach Bible for church. Make we not talk. My sister, make you not verse. Make you go church, go to preach. After all, the Bible say, go you to the word and preach the gospel. Yeah, accord. Now everybody. So you know me say me, I must be inside. May you, where me stop, may you go continue from there. So, my people, this matter with my brother put for granted, now serious matter. And everybody, we go must sit down, put touch, anyanya, they look this matter. As of today, nothing they work for Nigeria. If a whole Niger president go call Nigeria, can't give award to our own president for development.
They can't name Abuja Road.
They can't name Abuja Road to a Niger president. That one be said that they tell us say the President Bubu now from Niger Republic. Now why? Why go they go name a whole Nigeria road for Nigeria after another president? You know, sometimes as leaders, they take us for granted. So when I go see some people they talk, I go they say, what is the worry una? What is the problem? Una no go learn. Especially when you see people they do what you know fit do, appreciate them. Appreciate them. You understand? So all these things for Nigeria today, all of us don't tire. All of us don't tire. Now, if we talk about Niger now, we also know say maybe at the end they go check and you also say Dangote will get linked to Niger.
Why not?
Because me, I go at the verge this evening. Now, if you check what did happen now, why be say now why they no go say Dangote now be the richest man in Africa? When it be say now people destiny, people wealth, now they reach himself. Why be say now one man now they supply Indomie, only one they supply sugar, only one they supply pepper, only one they supply tomatoes, only you one. Only one they supply cement. Very soon, only one will supply rice and beans. Now, if we look all this matter with the grant, now because say the Nigerian people, we all they keep quiet, fear. Some of us they fear. Some of us don't want to talk. Some of us like enjoyment. We just want to enjoy. We don't care what it happen. But the truth be say, the fight, we no one fight today. Tomorrow we could fight them. Then those of una want to say una dey religious pass some of us, I beg, we una increase una prayer points. Those of una when they tell us say we not get work, I beg, you will get work, spend some time, don't do come live broadcast like this. You know how we talk so. If it is easy, maybe you just still go your Facebook, just click live. Match out your point. You don't need to come under people profile, they comment rubbish. Go your profile. Because Nigeria matter. Now everybody matter, we must put math. If you check everywhere now, things don't Dabrata, I could not be China, this be Africa China. We say Nigeria Jaga Jaga. This one not be Jaga Jaga again. This one don't part Jaga Jaga. When late Prophet Deacon Apostle Bishop Dr. Sonny Okosun, when he talk and freedom is now never, he sing that song
years ago.
And at the freedom, we see they fight for now. So, who be Martin Luther? Martin Luther was a great reformer, infant and pastor, bishop. Martin Luther said, he don't have to sit down for 4 war. Now say now the black race, they don't be dead prisoner, inferior. What you do? Now Martin Luther enter street. Just as some of us, the political missionary, we don't enter street. We don't enter street. So in the 80s, you can imagine. So we don't enter street. So that's why we could lend our voice to say this constitution, tear down. Nothing is binding us. The constitution is just for some selected few, which is the Amajari. They not be the Mandi they call them. They know the Fulani, not be gay on that name they call them. You get the name they call them. I'll remember that name. It a pay me said the problem of the South now South.
Yes, now.
What did I talk so? The problem of the South now South.
Division.
The problem of the Southwest now Southwest. The problem of the Southeast now Southeast. But thank God the Southwest now they are coming together.
Mobilizing.
They mobilize themselves. Thank God for the Southeast. They mobilize the youth. They mobilize themselves. The South side, which one are they mobilize? Zero. Now to they mobilize women, they build hotel. They go break when I go under one tree. They smoke, they drink. See today now, somebody sight. People come seize material. Now we they ask them, why we not go do that thing? He said that the elder for the community, now he send them, they come seize material. That is their building. When the bill said the owner of that house don't pay, tire. So all these things, the people of the South, we they talk now.
They'll say now they talk to elders.
They say we they talk to elders.
Elders don't know anything. Elders don't respect himself.
Elders will not respect himself. Now those people smell today spoil.
Yeah.
And they know say smell now 4,000 naira per bag. For one bag. The elders mobilize people to go and seize material. Smell spoil.
For your fellow Edo man property.
For your fellow Edo man property. I think I go narrate to this evening.
Your fellow Edo man property.
You go seize the material. When the state government say they don't abolish those nonsense, una call they do so and don't pass the state government.
Who send them? Elders.
The elders. I go call them now. I will disgrace them for Facebook.
Elders. If we dey talk, in as much as say we won't accept the fact, say this is Africa, this is Nigeria, this is Edo State, and that we respect people. But let us also understand that respect is reciprocal. Let's understand it. Even parents, in parenting, for those people who don't take time study what parenting is all about, they respect their children. And their children respect them back. See, note, if you don't respect your child, to be honest, don't expect respect back from him. You know why? The only respect when you get from him, now when you see this small.
Hello?
Hello, my brother, how you doing?
I do.
Okay, una don't come out for the community now.
We don't police, we not close now.
Because you don't say we dey busy for town now. We dey busy for town. So one I'll take you in the office tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
I say when I take the office. Okay, around 8. Okay. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Coward, you know, so we put them for live broadcast. See, who sent these boys? Elder will be say don't collect money from that land. They don't build a RTPC. Elder still send the boys. Say go and seize materials. Now all these people now their children will come, they come Facebook, they write nonsense.
Yes, now.
Now they'll come, they comment, they say look at jobless people.
Because they inherit from their father.
Because they inherit nonsense from their papa. This constitution, this constitution is no longer binding on anybody. My brother, I thought
no institution, everything. The government, the traditional council,
zero.
When we believe, say okay, fine. Another trusted institution we supposed to cry go meet her.
Zero.
church.
I'll go there.
Leave them. This is why we are saying that we must disintegrate this country they call Nigeria. This country. We must split them. And the way forward is to pursue the southern region interests. That's the way forward. As we speak right now, we don't also join our mouth with other regions. When don't they disintegrate, when don't they work out, they go their own. Everybody go your way. Everybody go your way.
The marriage not a work.
No, my work. The marriage don't die since 2014. Since 2014, in Nigeria don't complete 100 years after amalgamation. Amalgamation in 1914. And according to the charter when bind the amalgamation, the charter proclaimed that this marriage, this union that bets the northern protectorate and the southern protectorate shall be reviewed until after 100 years.
They're not going to review them.
We don't already past 100 now. 2014, now we complete the 100 years to ensure say everybody will can't enter drawing table. We will can't ask questions on what is the way forward. What is the way forward? Are we going to continue as a people, as a nation, or are we going to split? But as we speak right now, because the Nigerian government has failed and has refused to ensure that they do what is needful. This is now why we don't come out to say, sir, we are going away. Everybody go their separate way.
Go your separate way.
On this junction, on this note,
Go your separate way.
on this note, we don't decide to ensure say we mobilize the southern state. Mobilize the southern state. This is why we say everybody, every
Rise
citizen of this region must rise up to join this train, to join this trend, to join this movement. You cannot sit on the fence and be expecting watch it to happen. Nothing will happen.
But after things don't better, then you come say we join.
Everybody, each and every one of us must come out in mass to say, this country, we dey dissolve am. We dey dissolve am.
Sharp.
We cannot continue to open our eyes and watch injustice continue to prevail. And they see when they put for news, say the presidency, they try to allocate, I think $1.4 billion to open back River State Refinery. Now I say, who all this ones want the mumu?
Who they want to save?
They find money when they want to do election for 2023.
Now they want to get us all.
Now they want to do refinery. May they come and may they tell us how that refinery project will take work. Let them come out and tell us that this is the budget, and in a space of 2-3 months we will do what? We will revive the refinery, and this refinery will yield this and this so amount in so particular project. They cannot do that.
Do waiting.
They cannot do that.
Do waiting.
They just see us as a people when they feel push go anywhere.
They just see everybody say they see everybody in a mumu.
Where they feel push, go front,
They just
go
everybody.
back,
When I choose everybody in a mumu.
push anywhere, anyhow. And we are saying we should continue. See, I beg you, if you know what you post. See, if you know what you talk, Oga, just go rest. We are saying that we are calling for the South nation. That's our movement right now. We are calling for the southern nation. We cannot open our eyes and watch other regions. Begin to lay the foundation.
We never do anywhere.
We not there anywhere.
If anything happen now, man, where would they?
We go suffer now.
We'll suffer.
We not there anywhere. Our so-called stakeholders, we can't find them anywhere.
Not be they fight for PO when a POB POB PIB.
Okay, petroleum bill.
Yes. Not be our elders they fight. Suppose traditional rulers, when they supposed to defend the interests of people, they fight, they disgrace themselves for national telly. Una don't ever see any northerner they fight publicly for national telly. Then when they talk, they go say, don't mind them. They don't have job. Even some of the same will go start to the preach Bible. May you go preach.
So, at this junction, we don't decide to declare the southern nation. Soon, una go dey hear from us on how we go take achieve this goal. E no concern us how we go take scatter the table. Why? Because we don wait for the so-called stakeholders.
No, we want break the table.
We don't wait for the so-called stakeholders. None of them show up.
Greedy people, wicked people.
And at this junction, we don't take our own resolution to ensure, say we present the Southern nation. And as we present the Southern nation now to promote the interests of the Southern people. As far as we dey call for sovereignty and referendum for this country.
We know they look for resource control. No. We don't pass that stage of resource control. Gawa brike.
All right. Someone's asking a question. What about the refinery way Obaseki is working now? I come in peace. Okay. No.
Obaseki cannot do refinery.
Refinery? No. Not. I think you have to rephrase your question very well. What about the refinery? Let me see very well.
No.
Okay, it went off.
And the comment don't move.
All right. Okay, somebody said something. The South you are calling Biafra. Okay, no. Let's get something very right now. Nigeria has 6 geopolitical regions. Let's get it right. Nigeria gets 6 geopolitical regions. And as we speak right now, the Southeast, we know, are the forerunners of Biafra, which we are not against. And which we also say, kudos, continue your work. And on that note, we are saying that the South must also promote our own agenda. If at the end of the day, we now reach a reconciliation that the South and the Southeast should work together, that's no problem. But as we speak right now, it just be like as Nigeria do so. Every state they owe themselves. Why every state get their own government? You understand? So this is why we are saying the South region must have its own agenda. The Biafra, good to go. Yes.
Approve.
We don't have issues with that.
No.
But we are saying that the South must have its own agenda, such that we can also collaborate together with the Southeast. We can collaborate together with the Southwest. If need be, we can share ideas, ideology together. But we cannot just remain the way we are. And then we are now saying that South are there under Biafra. What's the meaning of that?
We're not deceive ourselves.
No.
We're not deceive ourselves.
No.
Talk as it be.
We cannot say that. All right, Brown Robo, South are not Biafra. Thank you so very much. You don't hear them so? South are not Biafra. We have 6 geopolitical regions in this country, and each region gets their own landmarks. And so, as such, we say the South region must have its own agenda, and that's the agenda that we are pushing for. Yes, that's the agenda we are pushing for. We in the South do not speak Biafra. We do not speak Biafra. All right. Yes, you have your point. That's your opinion, and you are very correct as well. Yes, we in the South do not speak Biafra, and that does not say that we are marginalizing ourselves on that note. No, but we are saying that we want to promote the South agenda.
Do you know our common enemy are those cow? I don't even understand.
Yeah.
We get just one common enemy, just one. Now, my brother, Motel has said the truth. If the quota system they work the way it's supposed to work,
Yeah.
me and never should say Biafra the way they agitate for their own nation.
None at all.
No,
Why?
let us say the truth. Now, let's assume it reach time of president, they allow the Igbo man become president. When it comes for Senate president, they allow Igbo man become Senate president. When it comes for House of Rep, they allow Igbo man. Now, speaker, they allow Igbo man. Now, if we're talking about military, all of them, the head of Chief of Army Staff, you allow Igbo man become Chief of Army Staff. Now, do you think the Igbo people will be say they marginalize them? No. Now, if the federal government want to do 100 thing, 100, Now half, now they'll go do for Biafra land.
Ah?
Half. If they want to do 100.
No.
Sorry, what type of the talk say?
Half.
If they want to do 100 thing for Biafra, they'll go do 0. I mean 0%.
They don't do anything.
They don't do anything. So tell me why the Igbos will not fight for their nation. And they are fighting a good fight. And we give them kudos and we support them. Now, if to say na Dangote, now he get Inno's motto. Oh my God. Toyota for don't rock more for Nigeria.
They go don't pump money. Ah!
I don't know if they feel am. Let them just say na Hausa man. Now he get Inno's motto.
They go don't pump money.
Oh, my brother, my sister, Toyota for don't carry their bag. Rock more for Nigeria. Rock come out for Nigeria. So,
all right, someone, Austin Iyama, some of the South there are supporting Biafra. Yes.
so even me, I'm supporting them.
Very true. Do you know why? Let's say this now. Una don't see Pikin when in mama know they cook food for house. When they will go outside go chop. I want to ask question again. Pikin when in mama know they cook food for house, and mama expect me just sit down for house, me no chop. When they hear the scent of the neighbor, food when neighbor they cook for him, he go there go chop. Now waiting the happen for South with it. The South does not have an agenda.
So they should come up with an agenda.
And the interest of the South, people when get interest for development for this country, they can't see people when they try, they go join them now.
I'm free say me I join them.
They will join them,
Me I support
which is no offense. So this is why we are saying the fact that you have joined Biafra or you're in Biafra is no problem, and we don't have issues with that. But hence, this is our call. Our call is we are betting the southern region, and because we are betting the southern nation, the southern ideology, we believe strongly. Say those people when don't they find trusted southern movement, they have no option than to come back home. That's it. It just be like our brothers and sisters when in the diaspora now. If all of a sudden they just say everything just they work for Nigeria, don't you think they will come back home?
Sharp.
They will come back home sharply. So that's one thing that I want us to understand.
Now, to quickly add voice to what my brother talk. The truth be say, if the Southeast actually come together the way support be, things go change.
Okay, someone just said something. Una we no claim Biafra. How una life and environment can be now? Okay, I don't understand that.
No, leave that one.
I don't understand that.
He's
Sorry.
entitled to his opinion. Leave that one.
Okay, that's the truth. Thank you so much. You know, the other child must go and eat, and he go chop. Go out, go chop.
You know, they look anybody face.
So that's just it's just a simple
So
analogy.
the truth, the bottom line be this, my brother Vaughn. Tell friend truth, not his boyfriend. But truth, not his boyfriend for Nigeria. They support, in fact, his boyfriend for Nigeria. Now, if the Southeast come together, my brother, we are good to go. We are good to go. But the truth be say, our people never ready. You understand? Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. The truth be say, our people, they're not ready. You understand so?
Yeah.
They're not ready. So, person like me now, you know say me I know they hide my feeling. Talk about it be. Me I support Biafra. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
I will continue to support Biafra. Why? Because Biafra they get agenda.
Of course.
The agenda is to liberate the people.
Yeah.
Now we're talking about the eastern southern region.
Yeah.
Even the southern region, we are our leaders. Not be our so-called leader they destroy the nation so. Not be the boo-boo they use so. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
Now for me, I dey speak for myself. I dey speak for myself. And I need to look back. Who be that one?
No, people are
Okay.
people are actually contributing. I love that.
As for me and my household, we know the high dam. I support Biafra. You know why? This is my own opinion. For now, the standard people never ready. If they ready for, I go no. And now some of us, by the grace of God, I go see champion.
Yes, sir.
But for now, before those things, the one they cook, me, I stand with Biafra, my brother.
Stand tall.
I stand tall with Biafra. And I also they use my eye. They support the pay Sonugbo.
Who knows support better thing?
My brother, talk as it be. We not owe anybody apology. I not owe anybody apology. So, as it be now, person like me, I know me I know be Ben match. If you wake me tomorrow, do you support Biafra? Yes. You can't take it away from me. If you not get you want to one. Sir, you know why I will continue to support them? These people had been marginalized.
For centuries.
Look at Ibeto Smith. Ibeto Smith are from the East.
Yeah.
If they really empower Ibeto Smith from East, my brother, that one can take care of the Eastern region. But the federal government led by a cow president, he monopolized and we come in only one man.
Yeah.
That's why we say this constitution, we must cheer them.
Yeah, of course.
We go what? Cheer them. When I see this Coke, what it be this? Big boy. This big boy Coke, the content, the ingredient, when the owner of this Coca-Cola tell you this Coke for us is different from the one they drink for abroad.
Yes, no. Yes, no.
Understand so? This Coke.
So people are asking questions. Let's start from me. Okay. Mr. Doze, okay, but what of we from Anioma? Are we not from Biafra? Okay, Anioma is a locality in Delta State.
Of course.
And if you check very well, if you go through the map of the southern region, the south-south region, you realize the fact that Delta State is a state in the southern region.
Hello?
You understand?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Please, we're on broadcast. We'll call you back. Yeah. Sorry, go ahead, sir. Sorry for that.
So you realize that Delta State is a state in the southern region. So in the southern region, you have about 6 states in the southern region. Number one, you have Edo State, you have Delta State, you have Bayelsa State, you have Rivers State, you have Akwa Ibom State, and you have Cross River State. Those 6 states make up the south-south region. So when you talk about the southeast, there you have the likes of the Enugus, you have the likes of the Onichas, and the rest of them. So you that you are from Anioma, you are a Deltan. I am from Anioma, I'm a Deltan. And because of that, I promote the South-South agenda. In as much as I support the Biafra. Why do I support Biafra? It is because Biafra is agitating for their freedom. And it is very obvious that they have been marginalized. Which also, the South-South regions also have been marginalized. So, I think we've been able to answer your question, sir. We've been able to answer your question. We have another question. Okay. Una way he claim Biafra. How una life be?
No.
Let's get something. I think we need to educate ourselves.
Yes.
In leadership, I have learned to understand that any leader, when they lead 100 people, if all of a sudden he can't say everybody stop, everybody can't stop. He can't say, oh yeah, count for me. As they can't count, they can't realize say one person they miss. What the leader does is to ask the 99 to stay and go and look for that one. Do you know why? That one, if you're not careful, that journey when they go for front,
you go terminate.
That's why even you hear the soldiers go tell you, say, once you be soldier, if you be soldier, say you dey battlefront, no matter how you go shoot your gun reach, ensure say you reserve 1 bullet for yourself. Should in case, say, matter can't tie matter, Instead of the rebels or the enemies to catch you early, use that one bullet for yourself. Take kill yourself. So in leadership, for some people when they come broadcast, they talk. No sir, no ma, let's get it right. I'm very sorry sir. Let's get it right. We don't see. Forget about say you be APC, you be PDP.
For this one, we need to forget them all. Wait, my brother, first. On this grant, make we forget the political party when we join. Where we dey. This one, we get our common enemy. And we must join together to fight this common enemy. Now, this common enemy don't divide us for too long. See, you know, say me and the talk about they be. If not for Eastern security, my brother, people for the East for the young win now.
Yes, now.
Una de Carlo, God will bless you. You're not there now, God will bless you. If not be Eastern security network, no. My brother, the for don't chop our people finish. You know, see the way they chop our people for Olu.
They finished them?
They finish our people. But thank God for the Eastern security network. If not be these people, for Edona, thank God for our own Eastern those security network there. But make we talk a whole region. There's one between a security for state and for a region.
Yes, no. The architecture different.
The architecture different. So the security for a region and for a state, no, don't be the same thing. God bless those agitating for good things in this country.
Amen.
God bless those that is saying we need freedom for our people.
Without to suffer.
Without suffering. That's why I will say, Una de Carlo, God will bless you.
Without to suffer.
Sunday Igboho, God will bless you.
He's a leader.
And God will bless you now. 12 una don't tell us say it is possible. That's why we were did do this broadcast. Apostle Alfred and Victor, we say we're also ready. We move.
No shaking.
We don't look body with face. We move. Because pastor, you not get you on that market. Apostle don't get your own market. Apostle don't get your own school for the information. My children they go school where other people they go. So no market everywhere they go, I will go. I get on that market.
For where?
I be you go to that market. So why you go see me and also? You see my brother. Anything we this street, that we day. Anything where they make forget them. We don't fear anybody, but with the respect so. So on this basis, the constitution when they bind us is not valid.
Na lie.
That constitution is not valid.
They lie put aside.
They lie put aside. I mean, what did me check constitution self?
They lie. Now lie. They document lie. And because say most Nigerians know they read, we know they study. How many of us get constitution?
My brother. So what about the language you are talking about, ma'am? Something is wrong somewhere. My brother, a lot of things. Sean, you see this paper?
You see what it happen now. This is why we say we need to dissolve this country.
What is it dissolve?
Una see what everybody for broadcast now. Mona see.
Clear matter.
Now person ask question. He say he won't be a nyoma. Say where he come be. That means say even he too no even know where he be.
Because they speak Igbo.
And he don't born children. That means say go by the rules of how and waiting they determine. Thank you, listener. And waiting they determine our sovereignty. Number one, now borders, and that's our map. Number one, now borders, and that's our map. So, in as much, I see, and when he say, the man say, as far as he concerned, even put with due respect. You see, my brother, with due respect, I be Igbo man. I don't get problem with that.
I agree with you.
Yes, sir.
And I support you.
But I think waiting they happen for broadcast this evening. Now, big fact for us to know, say even we too.
We never knew where from come.
We never know for comfort.
Maybe if I go trace my route now, I will set the baby from Unewi. No, it's a serious matter. This will not be joking matter. Maybe if I go dig where I'm from come, you're surprised that my grandfather is from Anambra.
So now since they get so many things where our elders not tell us.
Where did they hide?
So my Oga Dozie, no verse so.
No verse.
No verse.
That's why we say make they dissolve the country.
That's why we dey say
Make they dissolve am.
make they dissolve am.
Both start afresh.
Because the lie wey they lie give us,
It's too much.
our eye
It
don
don't
open.
No, this one say Biafra should stick with their 5 states. Edo can never be Biafra. Edo.
Una don see am so.
Edo. Say, but we support their agitation
Agitation.
and Oduduwa. Benin have their own agenda of our fathers have done that for us through referendum.
Una say, so this is another person's ideology.
Opinion.
That's his opinion.
And you can't take that away from him.
That's his opinion. So this na why we dey say collectively,
Make we come together in a way.
collective. The Oduduwas, they have these boundaries as well. But as we speak,
They go beyond the boundary.
they've defeated it. As we speak, they've defeated it. Quietly as we speak. Now this is the problem that we are talking about.
Okay, now what is the solution? Dissolve the country.
Dissolve the country and then promote the southern region. That's the solution. Which are the states in southern region? You have the Edos. You have the Delta inside there. You have the Cross River. You have the Akwa Ibom. You have the River States inside the south. Now the 6 of us, we gonna need to come together. We gonna say, see, you need to forget this one, may you forget. We the share borderline
With
for
all these
this
people.
region.
Within middle,
What is our agenda?
we not get.
That's the solution, sir. The solution is to promote the southern agenda. Bayelsa, God bless you, including Bayelsa, makes it 6. That is the solution. But say we won't gonna say make Edo State dey their own, make Delta State dey their own, make Bayelsa dey their own. See, sir, when they come, they will defeat us.
My brother, they don't already defeat. More not deceive ourselves. More not deceive ourselves. They've already defeated us. More not deceive ourselves. But
Yeah.
you know what? You cannot keep truth.
No.
These are part of the constitution when I hope. The constitution has come. You know, say we cheer that flag that day. As we cheer the constitution now, we don't dissolve.
Yes, sir.
1999 constitution now
In the name of God the Father.
Okay, sorry, call again.
In the name of God the Father.
Uh-huh.
In the name of God the Son
and of the Holy Spirit. Constitution, tear. That constitution, I don't tear that.
Yeah, nah.
Nothing they'll fit do.
Man, don't forget, say when we tear that flag, una see say few weeks after, the agitation can rise.
Things come right. Now the constitution we don't tear so we don't tear that.
As we tear am so,
Don't tear.
no una give am few weeks.
Few weeks.
Una go see wetin go happen.
We don't tear the constitution. That's scam.
This na why we say make una go tell who never hear.
Make them prepare themselves.
Make una tell who never hear, make e hear. Say their agenda, as far as we are concerned, right now, as far as we are concerned, is the southern agenda. The southern agenda. Thank you, Mr. Brian. 419, they go deceive themselves.
I don't cheer them.
This is right rubbish. People say
May I
that
take
paper.
may I take on that page from the constitution?
Right, put rubbish side say that constitution.
No, sir.
Constitution when they no fit refer to for court of law.
Even the so-called lawyers, they never know them. This is another page from the constitution. As they tear them, they scam. Yeah.
In the name of God the Father,
And of the Son,
Son,
and of the
and
Holy
of the
Ghost.
Spirit.
Constitution, tear them. They no fit do us anything. You people can't do anything. Yeah, now the constitution be this. This is what is binding us, Abi. We don't tear them. Not be this one they bind us. Not be this constitution they bind us. Not be. It's that.
I must not do anything.
Not be do anything. Not be the constitution be the way they bind us. We don't tear them. Nonsense. Oh man for yourself. I don't tear them. Tear them.
Finish.
Nothing they happen.
Na year.
We don't close everything.
Na year. At this junction, very soon, I go to hear update on the southern nation. Very soon, I go to hear update on the southern nation. We go ensure, say we promote them. Why? Because that is our only trusted hope. when we know say this southern nation na im go promote and protect the interests of the Nigerian of the southern people. We know say this one na our agenda, our eye clear now to pursue wetin we need to do. This is why we say each and every one of us, when they listen to us now or when they go listen to us later, you must support this agenda.
Then two Sanoves.
Yes, sir.
It gets some of our currency. See, we don't share everything, no. They get with that 200 naira with the poker.
Okay, now 200 poker.
Not 10 naira. I get
No, 200.
200 naira. Find me 200 naira. God bless you, Jim. Jim Lee, God bless you. Jim Lee.
As for me,
God bless you.
According to Jim Lee, as for me, if we Benins are not careful, our elite will take us to a destination that the majority of Benin
will regret. That's true.
No agenda. So the last thing will be follow come, follow go.
Okay.
Follow come, follow go. I support you, sir. Nigerian for where?
You see, Johnny now, Johnny going now, Apostle. Every religion should have an agenda. Every religion should have an agenda. I am in support of
Oduduwa Republic, Biafra Republic, Niger Delta Republic. Oh, funny.
That is it. So, may we not burn mat again. May not burn mat. How can one man from the north they control our resources?
All everybody.
Only one man, whole man, we be say from 2,000 naira made to 4,000. One man.
All everybody is no, you don't get what you want to do.
Bros, you remember say these people they say they want to strike. Now their tomato begin to spoil. Federal government say they want to give them 450 billion. But yet the same federal government they lock border. Our brothers goose worth billions of naira. Spoil. They don't compensate my brothers. Now you can't see me they don't fight for the region. My brother, fight.
So to they carry Fulani couple for our border here. They do custom.
Fulani.
All the goods when our brothers and sisters they carry come from abroad. None of them. They'll collect with their own collect.
Don't cannot go not. Where that gun where they say they see for wolf.
Story.
Those guns where they when don't forget. Those guns where custom officers say they can't see for wolf. Those AK-47.
They Buhari room.
With them.
They Buhari
They don't share and give the Fulanis.
They Buhari room.
They whether like Jimandi they call them Amajari, they don't share and give them. To fight who? They go use the gun kill themselves.
Amen.
Our brother go they bring goods come Nigeria, they go seize them.
Yeah.
As they seize them in the middle of the night, they'll carry and go north.
You know, Apostle, those people they are so tricky. You know what they do? They will bring like 5 Fulani, all those their custom officers. They'll come put one Benin man.
Yes.
Inside there. The Benin man to not get option or the Edo man. It's your call the like this.
Mumu, you cannot give us small peanut.
You will be a Edo man for your own land. Your own land. Because they give you 2K go house every day. You would they bewitch your own fellow Edo man. We were talking to someone one day. The man say he don't spend over 16 years for the north. He say police no dare stop you for road say they drive they go for north. Say why? Say police go by mistake stop. How? Say body go tell that police officer.
What the man talk and shock?
Say police body go tell him. Body go tell him. But you come here. You see the Aboki man. He will carry gun. You know even if he say come go. Now they give gun may come south.
I mean respect to this guy.
But please, okay, my guy. But please,
I saw you people.
I'm coming. Please excuse me. But please, I saw when you people started protest the other day, but I don't know why you people stop it. Maybe by now the protest should be everywhere. Okay, thank you so very much, sir. It's a strategic, and we also have plans because we know that we also have agendas to also pursue. But trust us that we are on it. Trust us, we are on it. Yes, we did that on Friday, and we also continued on Sunday.
Yeah.
continue on Sunday, and God willing, we will also still be on the street, distance time. That's the truth. We have resulted, and we've also resolved that whatever the consequence will be, as far as it is in the interest of the southern region, we will go for it. As far as it is in the interest of the southern region, it's not be a Edo State again, no. No be a Edo State matter again, no. As far as it is in the interest of the southern region, we will go for it. We'll be at the forefront, agitating on what is needed. This is why we are using this medium to educate ourselves, so that we can be on the same page
with other regions.
So that my brother from Anyoma come say, Victor, me no know where I come from. Oh.
No. My brother from Anyoma can decide to join. No.
You don't understand what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
That my brother from Anyoma can now begin to see that the South also can pursue our own vision. Yes, and as such, we will now begin to question certain things. There are so many things when they happen for this country, when all of us just close eye, they live on top. When we don't fail to ask questions.
We'll say now. In fact, quickly, I challenge one lawyer for side today. Say we talk about the be. When the lawyer they talk, now I can't challenge. Then I say lawyer, now they part of the problem we'll get for this country. Now the lawyer can say how. That's all the politicians who they judge their case, not be una. Una know say this politician thief, una know. Una go defend that to the end. If na poor man, I will put him for prison. I say now, if una really stand to uphold what una they talk, I say una they really nail our politician. By now Nigeria for that change. Now the lawyer look me. Now the lawyer can go talk about Bola Ige when he died. Now he said that politician I keep Bola Ige. He said because of that one, now make all the lawyer come the kurukere. They're going to defend their. Now because now you as a lawyer, you don't ever raise a bill to that effect to investigate the killing of Bola Ige.
No shooter.
He said no. I said that's the problem.
They will shoot her for Bele.
I said now the EndSARS protest. Which role una play? Which role una play? Now all these boo-boo, all the evil people they maneuver for this country, una the lawyer, una did the front line to interpret the constitution well. But what you know they do? But they might tell us the truth. You say how they want to fight. They are all hiding for themselves. Imagine they just show kill a day, khaki. Politician will do khaki a day.
So you better take that car or they will go shoot you.
They'll shoot you. You take her. Not be wicked doing it for River State.
The South Republic. Here we go. The South Republic. Here we go.
No, we saw wicked discipline for Cross River State.
Yes, sir.
We come build house for all the lawyers. Come buy cars for them. He come pay their match. Yeah. Our lawyers, that's what they be. They are part of our problem. Now the truth be this. Part of it. That's why if lawyers, if they are independent, they can fight for the people. A lawyer now can feel your carry case of man with chief for market, they'll put out prison. But the rich chiefs, the highest bidder, the cover mat.
Okay, this is a minute prayer. Okay, Mr. Dozie. Alright.
Yes. You know, when people they show like this, they just say with a joke. Midnight. So we fight in the night, we fight in the day. Thank you.
Okay, you don't talk now. We say Edo Delta Republic. Edo Delta Republic. Yes, but Edo Delta is just only 2 states.
You know what?
In the region.
This is a Benin Republic.
Now see him to say Benin Republic. Is the South the region? Let us make it formidable. Why? Because we know say there's power in numbers.
Power. That is just it. There's power in numbers. That is the only way out.
It's power in numbers.
Maybe at the end, we now decide to say, aha, Biafra. Let's strike a D. If that time come, we'll cross the capital.
Yes, now.
Then all the door, that's okay. Now these 3 regions, we want to become 1 region. We are good to go. But I don't understand. we are good to go. Because anything we go make us today delivered from this slavery,
We'll do.
we are ready.
We'll do.
We are ready. Anything we will deliver from this slavery, we are ready. We're ready. And we see it for our own. It is better before that began to drug us.
That one, that word from Frank Abiola. Now only elders. Now they talk that kind of word. Only elders. My apostle, the earlier we solicit for our own, the better before powers that be will drag us to where we no one get out to talk. This, I just talk something now saying, this kind of statement, now only statement when we say, now elders, they talk.
Person will stand for Uroko tree. You just sit down, you see everything.
Elders, and they talk this word. The reason why they shout now, for the South ideology, the South agenda, make it not be say we will come be follow go.
In fact, my brother, the truth be this. Number one, you cannot have Delta Republic. You cannot have Edo Republic. Because we not get the capacity. That's the truth. But when you say South region, now we already have an agenda.
We'll put the force.
Well, all of us will gather together. Then the East come together.
They stand their own.
To do a
stand their own.
Then those people don't feel defeat us.
Everybody hold your side.
So by the time we don't feel secure our territory, we say now, what do? We want this marriage. Maybe at the end of the South Side, say now we want to marry the Southeast. The East want to marry the South and Southwest region. The marriage, they go bind them. In fact, lawyer full ground when go write the constitution for us.
Yes, no.
Lawyer plenty when they go write the constitution for us. Okay, we must support Biafra and Oduduwa so as to have our freedom from the Fulani.
Shikeno. We
agree.
Nothing. We will ensure that we fight against anything that will divide us.
See, in fact, Paul, you don't talk and finish. We for here now, we dey support Biafra.
Yeah.
We dey support Oduduwa.
Carry go.
Carry go.
Carry go.
We dey support you now. At the same time, we go also speak for South Republic or South region. That's the truth. When I don't say we, they talk as they be.
No, bend down.
We don't bend down. We talk as they be. So that at the end of the day, all of us go carry our resources together. Now, you know, say the East, they did very good for computer.
Yeah.
These guys are wonderful in craft.
Well, anything when you talk about manufacturing,
they're in the East.
yeah.
I give them A1. They were talking about book, West, A1. Then the South, what will be our own?
We now oil now.
Oil. 0.
We now oil.
Even the oil now, we never see the oil.
No, but South gets its own peculiarity.
Which I mean peculiarity?
South peculiarity na their intelligence.
Intelligent to do what?
Hold on. South peculiarity na their South people now they very smart to achieve any goal. It's just that over time, our elders, our forerunners for South never will paint a picture as brand for the South region. I would say South, to be honest, we are intelligent, we are smart people.
That Buhari they use now so.
No.
Not be una. Come.
No.
Now let me talk to you this evening. No be una. Buhari they use until they do rely and they go to jail.
Ma can't confirm. Ma tell you. Ma tell you how we dey smart.
Tell us.
Go check where. During elections, now South, and the difference for all the strategic group.
So we are good. We go for election. Okay.
And all that they happen because we believe our elders supposed fight for us. So those people when they start for, they will come go betray us for front. Go and check very well for elections. Go and check elections. South, they are the front for all strategic group.
For after election, they throw them.
And who they throw us? Our representative.
Out because of brand
Envelope. Our now then they throw away us. Now then, so the South people, to be honest, I give this to them, they are smart people. I know that one. They are smart people. Now we are going to redefine what we want to be peculiar.
Oh, that's why I like this man, late Aneni. Oh, Aneni was a father. You don't think Aneni now bring it this bypass?
Yeah.
Aneni. When the time will be Minister of Works. No, Mike, or no, me come fuck up. Zero. Then a Chris game on that fuck. You guys have the capacity.
They will not do it. They will not do it. That's the truth. They will not do it. See the way Oshomole take clean 2019 election now. You say South are not smart. See 2019 general elections. You see the Oshomole take cleaner.
He fat. Very strategic.
He clean now. But when they use our film, they do.
They dump him.
On the day of the swearing, they no push you and come off on stage.
No, it was here. That's right.
Okay. They don't know your position.
They don't fit you.
Go down. That's to confirm the claim that we are smart, and they know.
And they know. They use
call
us for dirty job.
They call and come.
We are good.
They clear job.
Now they say who they offer you take do role go Nigeria now Satana because they strategic. Use and get money. They say do you know what they call say people not support them. Every to talk this evening. I think you to that pieces for constitution. Now still and finish. Oh, chill and finish. Something happen. Another page for the 1999 constitution. Okay, if the South and Yoruba can come together to push the Fulani out before we agree whether to stay together or to divide.
All right. I think Mrs. Sado, if the South and Yorubas can come together to push the Fulanis out before we agreed whether to stay together or to divide ourselves, it would have been good. Okay, let's get this now. We are not saying that the South will go and join Oduduwa. No. We are not saying that the South will go and join Biafra. No. We are saying the South wants to have its own agenda. But in that note, we can collaborate to achieve a goal.
Collaboration is necessary now.
Necessary.
Anyway, make I share this calm constitution again. In the name of the Father,
yes, sir,
and of the Son,
yes,
and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
These are not the constitution. Notice that they get the page and the pick up. Now scan. 1999 constitution is not binding on us. That constitution say the permanent responsibility of the government is to provide security and welfare for our people. Are they doing that now? No. So constitution, I don't share them. Nothing they happen.
Finish. Okay. All right, Stephen Okodua, Apostle, we are smart. Check our elections in this country. A South must be in the forefront. 2015 election, Rotimi Amechi. 2019 election, Adams Oshomole.
Very smart, the devils. They are smart, they are strategic, but yet they cannot develop their area. They are very smart and strategic, but yet their region they cannot develop.
Not the greed. Not the greed. All right, Zion, who you sir? South don't need Yoruba or Igbo. We are on our own.
No, bros, you have a point, oh. But on this, we need each other.
Very true.
Okay, please, Apostle, let's start spreading the narrative henceforth. Be adding South Republic on your
podcast. We move. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Yes, that's the spirit.
Having oil is not talent.
Yeah.
We have to belong to the productive side because that is what sustain Western world. Agree. Agree. Jim Lee. Agree.
Imagine person get oil. Waiting one is the oil do.
Zero.
You want the drinker. We don't feel refiner.
Nothing. See, not be the. I don't want to talk this evening. Not be house boss. Sebajo they use to destroy our local refinery. All the modular refinery where people they do. Not be house boss. Sebajo they use.
So we need to help ourselves. We need to help ourselves. We need to.
Without changing the constitution.
We need to promote the South nation, the South Republic. That's our agenda, and we will need your support. I beg, if as you know, say anything will come your mind in terms of how do we achieve this goal, please get across to us.
Well, let us know.
Get across to us. Why? Because no be small race.
A big race.
No be small race. But we know that in Christ all things are possible. We know that. And this one is a goal that must be achieved.
And we have achieved it.
And like what Apostle said initially, we know the fear now.
Fear who? Bro, fear. Wait.
We know the fear.
Fear who?
We know the fear now.
Fear who?
We know the fear now. We stand.
We did this statue now.
To achieve the South Republic. Yeah. To achieve the South. And the race.
Nothing.
The race don't start. So.
It don't start.
Freedom is now or never.
I bet we'll play our song. Freedom is now or never. Never see anything. Me, I support Biafra. I support
Oduduwa.
They have my support. But we must fight for the
South
Republic.
Sigaobi Jai Kama 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 Sigaobi Jai Kama.
We move.
Africa is now or never.
Whether we need
to lose it forever. Africa is now or never.
We move.
Whether we need
to give it for good. South.
Whether love it
to lose it forever. South is now or never.
Whether love it
and keep it for good.
Freedom is now or never.
Freedom.
Whether we need
to lose it forever. Freedom is now or never.
Whether we need to
keep it for good.
Let me hear you.
Sigaobi Jai Kama Sigaobi Jai Kama Sigaobi Jai Kama Sigaobi Jai Kama.
Oh, I'm coming.
Sigaomi. Yes, so South is now or never.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hey, good evening, sir. We move.
Yeah, Apostle.
Yes, sir.
Good one. Yeah, go yo.
Domo, sir.
Yes, I think this song we need to find a good talented guy, a freedom fighter that will give us the release.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes,
we
sir.
need the release of this song. I believe that will be he will have a very big role to play since the general country did not buy into that vision of that song because it's administration and those that have it select the year.
Yes, sir.
So I believe that we will use it for our own purpose. And what I want to say is this: you see, this struggle we are talking about is for only those that have vision, thinking-minded guys, people, the youth especially. You see, when we talk about Tokamasi B, it's a broker for truth that we stand.
Yes, sir.
And we continue to showcase and promote the betterment of our state and our country.
Yes, sir.
And I believe that a lot of people join you in this struggle when we are fighting for Obaseki to come back.
Yes, sir.
But you see that what about what you carry, I've already differentiated you from them.
Yes, sir.
You see, majority of them are far away from the vision. That is to say, healing the land, making the land to be a prosperous one, and developing the land and the people generally.
Yes, sir.
But how many of them today are still sticking true to power? How many of them today are still showcasing those work that will make the state to be attraction center to the world? No, but where are they? They are in their different various corner. You know, what are they doing? Enjoying themselves, forgetting the struggle. And the struggle was a purpose. It was a movement. Obaseki restatement to the governor house was a movement, and that is a movement that continues. But many of them today, I'm not seeing them. I'm not seeing their contribution. I'm not seeing the continuous struggle. But because they have already achieved what they want to achieve, knowing fully well that was not the purpose of we fighting for Obaseki. Because we believe in the continuity, we believe in vision, we believe in creativity. The thinkers never have limit. You are a person of somebody that is a Judah, that has a vision, that has a thinking ability to make something happen. I thank God for a person like Victor that is still there today.
Yes,
you could see that before we will have a country of our own, many people like you guys, that as I'm talking to you now, Godwin Obaseki, Governor Obaseki will be proud of you, because you yourself don't even believe in meeting one on one, but you have been using this platform to showcase, to even make people know who you are. And I believe that by the grace of God, many people have seen what you have been doing all this while. You will be saying that this is the kind of people I need, because what they need is a better society. What they need is a state with progress, a state that people begin to invest and develop. But why? You know those that will fighting for their own stomach. So these are the difference between you and this guys. But I pray that the youth, they will try to be key. And secondly, somebody said about having oil doesn't make it a kind of a glorious one. You have to have a thinking-minded people to develop a kind of people. Now, how can they think when they are already been stuck in the church? Everywhere is church. They are there 24 hours. Where would they have the thinking mind? Where would they develop their talent? No. Until we begin to use Google to sweep all those false sources, called honor wars, and they will not see the light. They will not see the light, because the 90% of the problem we are having is those kind of people, because they don't think anymore. If I wish they think, I believe that they will begin to start production. But today, all this whole cargo, this analog, what I've given away for the young generation, this is my contribution. I believe that for them to think, let them wipe away a lot of fake churches, so that the young ones could be able to see vision ahead. They could study, they could think, and they could develop themselves, and even implement and invent things that will rocket the state. God bless you.
Wow. Powerful contribution.
I feel like I'm just controlling myself now. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Thank you. We move.
Thank you for tuning in with us again today. We appreciate your time, the time you spend with us. We appreciate the resources you put up together to connect with us as well. Don't forget that we love you. Yes, that's true. that we respect you so much. And lastly, we honor you. Thank you so very much.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.